Hey guys, Tony here. So not really sure why a lot of YouTubers are saying that we're having a death cross and we're gonna go down more. If you just extend your chart out and you mark all the death crosses, you can notice that four out of the last, we've only had five death crosses in the history of Bitcoin, right? In the history, it doesn't even go far that back. It doesn't go that far back, right? You can't have a death cross back here on the daily because it doesn't show up. And the first one actually started here on March 26, 2018. Look at this, watch. Go all the way back. There you go. So death cross. Death cross. Pretty sure there's a reason why it stopped because I just made them right now. But death cross. Oh wait, there's more death crosses. Give me a quick second before I start doing the rest of the death crosses. Not really sure why. So death cross. Not really sure why it didn't show up before, but let's just do it right now, right? We'll do it really quickly. So, boom. This is just gonna validate my forecast even more, I'm guessing. There we go. It stops right. That's the very last instance. It stops right there. So let's go back to the weekly, right? Look, this is the instance of every single death cross, right? Ignore this line right here. Ignore this green one. We'll change this color, right? We'll do this green for money. Ignore this. Look at every single instance of a death cross, right? Look at every single instance. What happened at this June 14th death cross, right? What happened right here, right? Death cross, bottom, shot up. What happened at this death cross, right? Death cross, bottom, shot up. What happened at this death? This is actually the only death cross that actually came down. So death cross, boom, you went right back down. So you went from 96 to 67. So you lost about, what is that? What's half of 95? Like 30%, 40%? You dropped 40%, then you rebounded, you came right back up. But right here, what happened? Death cross, right there. And then boom, you shot up to 98.83. You did a 50% rally, right? Again, death cross, bottom. Look at that huge ass rally. You went from $226 to highs of $20,000, right? After that death cross. And that's the last instance of the death cross. That's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 out of 5 death crosses marked the bottom for Bitcoin. So why wouldn't you think that right now, after this death cross, it's going to happen? Well, it is going to happen today, right? It's already happening right there. Let me delete this part for you guys. Look at that. I don't understand why everybody's freaking out. If everybody actually did just real TA, they tell you that it's more than likely this is where Bitcoin marks the bottom. I don't understand, right? Look at that. Death cross. We're going to have a death cross right now. So we can probably see a floor coming sometime soon. I'm loading up on Bitcoin right now. Not really sure why everybody's saying that, oh, we're going to have a death cross. We're going to keep going down or we're going to die, blah, blah, blah. Like four out of the 5 death crosses mark the bottom for Bitcoin. So I'm not really sure. I don't really like using death crosses or golden crosses. I think they're kind of stupid, to be honest. They don't really, if anything, they do the opposite of what you think they do. And a lot of people like to assume that they're like this God tier indicator, which they're not, because then why would it mark the bottom on Bitcoin 4 out of the last 5 times? And death crosses are supposed to be like extremely bearish, but they mark the bottom for Bitcoin. Come on, guys. Do better TA. It's not very hard to figure out what's going on here. Death crosses mark the bottom for Bitcoin, and I'm starting to load up right now. I'm not 100% bullish because that weekly hasn't closed bullish on my RMACD, my reverse MACD, right? But four out of 5 times, right? That's what, like an 80% chance? I don't even know what that is. It's like an 80% chance that this is the bottom for Bitcoin, considering 4 of the last 5, death crosses actually did mark the bottom. So I don't know. I'm loading up. It seems the probability and statistics are on my side. If it keeps going lower, then oh well, but probability is high. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.